What does a data analyst actually do? You've probably benefited from their work without noticing it. But what does a data analyst actually do all day? Let me explain it simply. A data analyst works with data to help companies make better decisions. They collect, clean, analyze, and interpret data from different sources. The job is not just about numbers, it's about understanding what is happening and why. A normal day often starts by checking data sources such as databases, tracking tools, or spreadsheets. Before any analysis can begin, the data needs to be cleaned. This means fixing missing values, removing errors, and making sure everything is consistent and accurate. Here is a simple example. Imagine an online store notices that sales dropped last month. A data analyst looks at website traffic, product views, prices, and customer behavior. They might discover that traffic stayed the same, but fewer people completed purchases after a price increase. This insight helps the company decide whether to adjust prices or improve the checkout experience. Throughout the day, data analysts use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or business intelligence software to explore data. They create charts, dashboards, and reports to clearly show trends and patterns. The goal is to make complex information easy to understand for non-technical teams. Data analysts work closely with departments such as marketing, product, finance, and operations. They answer questions like which products perform best, why customers leave, or how a campaign impacted revenue. Clear communication is essential because insights must lead to action. You don't always need a university degree to become a data analyst, but strong analytical and technical skills are important. Many analysts study fields like computer science, statistics, economics, or mathematics. Others enter the field through online courses, certifications, boot camps, or self-learning. Good data analysts are curious, detail-oriented, and logical thinkers. They question assumptions and double-check results. Understanding the business context is just as important as knowing the tools. The pay is usually above average and depends on experience and location. In the United States, data analysts typically earn between $55,000 and $85,000 per year. In Europe, salaries often range from 45,000 to 70,000 euros annually. Working hours are usually regular, and many roles allow remote work. The job is mentally demanding, but physically easy. Pressure can increase around deadlines or important business decisions. This job may not be ideal if you dislike working with data, prefer hands-on physical work, or need constant variety. But for those who enjoy problem-solving and turning data into clear insights, it can be a strong career choice. A data analyst helps companies understand their performance and make smarter decisions. It is a structured, analytical role with high demand across many industries. Now you know what a data analyst actually does.